Hello Chroma Kids, welcome to our channel Chroma Kids Creation. Today we are going to draw Super Bheem for kids and toddlers. Let's draw and color together. Super Bheem is a fun and exciting character from the popular cartoon series. He is a brave, strong superhero who helps his friend and protect his village. Super Bheem has amazing power and loves to go on adventure. He flies through the sky, fights bad guys and always saves the day with his clever ideas and big heart. Kids love watching Super Bheem because he is always ready to help others and teach us the importance of being kind and brave. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for the more videos.